everybody, it's me and Owen again. I'm doing a video, and this is my Nerf collection. My friend Ken's gonna show you like my Nerf collection. Show him. Walk around, you stupid head. These are the Mega guns. We got the Mega something. We got the Mega Sniper, it's my favorite. We got the Zombie Strike. We got the Elite. And we got the attachments and the scopes. I loaded them up, so I had to shoot them. Some already loaded, so try to shoot them. This is the Mega Bow. Got for Christmas. I don't know what this is. It's not the Mega gun, but here we go. Let me just put it. Oops, my bad. One more. That's Mega.
Just say Mega pistol.
Mega something. As you can see, I don't know what it is, so I don't know. This is the Mega pistol. Mega big shot. I shot him. It holds 2 darts. One in the chamber and one up top right here. I shot him with the balls.
Not my balls. You shot me right here.
Okay, so this is the Mega, I don't know, mercenary here. It holds 3 darts. You can't get up here. I have two of them. Get out of here. Come on, second one.
Oh,
There we go. Dude, put it at me.
that's not shooting.
They hold 3 darts still.
Next time you shoot, I'm going to get another gun.
I didn't mean to steal. He's a joke. Here's the Mega Rotafire. It only holds 10 darts. That's all.
I couldn't even see them. They went so fast.
Here's the. I'll do the Mega Sniper last. Here's the Zombie Strike flip thing. Flip thing, whatever it's called. This is the button right here. It should have. That's the button for the clip. Here it goes. It didn't shoot that well. It's a good accuracy though. Wow.
You sure has good accuracy.
That's what sucks about it. Here's my Zombie Strike pistol. Boring. Here's the Swing Fire. I love this one. Here's my string clip. This is all my clips. I use a certain kind of clip, and I put the green darts mostly in. Yeah. I put the green darts mostly in. So here we go. Then Cam broke it. Hold 6 darts. And that's it. Watch. The clip put that real fast. That's the Swing Fire for zombies. Here is the pistol, and you can put attachment on it like this. That's a different gun, but I can put a stock on it if I can find one, which I don't have one. Here we go. Here's one with stocks. Check this boy out. Now it's
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, we're slow.
6 darts it holds. I didn't know how to get this off though. I got that off. There's the
Pistol.
I don't know, something. Here's my other favorite one. The Mega 2-in-1 Demolishers automatic. I need a clip though. So I don't know if I should go. I don't know if it's full mag. Right now. I'll show the crowd with a 18 mag. Here we go. It's automatic. You see this one right here? That's how it goes. The clip, that's the one for the clip. Automatically. This is the trigger. You can put a jackson on. This is the grenade holder. Yeah. That's that one. Now, I'll come back to the crossbow. This gun sucks, so I'm not even shooting it.
Of course it does. It's the most crappy one here.
That's the Oh my guns. Here is my customized sniper.
I see that's the most happiest one here.
I customized this puppy. This is how it shoots. You can lay down or just stand on the fire. I got bug guns though. It's for what shooting. That's what it looks like. I have another cannon port like this one. Now, what should I go for? This one or the American Sniper?
That one
This
first.
is the crossbow. You know, it can hold 12, and this is the 18 man I'm using. I think this one will shoot to 110 feet, I think. This thing cannot pull back without a clip or without any darts in. Here we go. It's called crossbow. Whatever it's called. We're not going to do it in a minute. There was no damn dart. No, it's not a jam. The darts wasn't working that well. Hi, Podgy. Should work now. So, it's good action. I can go like all the way. I'm in this base. I don't know. I can go in here and shoot real far to cam.
Ah!
Cam.
Ow!
Take curves a lot.
Oh, god dang. Ow.
It's not go back without any clip,
Oh,
clip or anything in the gun.
dude.
Now to the Mega Sniper
Shit,
we
that
have
hole.
waiting for.
Oh. Oh.
The Mega Sniper. This will put a beat on your balls. And this thing will hurt. I only want 6 darts, so. That's how big the thing goes back. You see a spring in there? Listen. That's how the thing passes. Stop. That's it. That's it.